Just picked these up from Malaysia, the Onitsuka Tiger Mexico 66 slip-ons in the stunning shade of blue. No laces, no fuss, just slip on and go. Exactly what I need for everyday comfort with a clean, retro look. These are a nod to the classic 66 design, originally made for the pre-Olympic trials in Mexico. But what I love most, that signature cross-stripe detail. It's subtle, iconic, and instantly recognizable. The upper soft leather with suede accents feels premium yet super lightweight, and that slim sole gives you grip without bulk. I've worn them around for a day, for casual and for evenings or for weekends as well. Zero discomfort and surprisingly breathable. Whether you're dressing up or going casual, these shoes just fit in, especially because they're lightweight. If you're after effortless style with a story behind it, this one's a solid pick. Malaysia, thanks for the find, because if you're in Malaysia, it's best to grab these because in other markets you might find them expensive, especially if I compare it with Dubai. In Malaysia, they have multiple stores. In UAE, they don't have a dedicated store. So if you're in Malaysia or in one of those Southeast Asia countries, you should definitely check these out. Thank you.